let's look at some of the differences between FICO and Vantage Score. The Vantage Score is what you commonly see when you look on free sources like Credit Karma. The Vantage Score itself was created by the three credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion in 2006. Not only do they provide you with the scores, but they determine the attributes to determine the score itself for a consumer. FICO, again, is that separate company, Fair Isaac Corporation, and is considered to be completely fair and unbiased because it is a third party for consumers. A Vantage score can be found for free. A FICO score is almost never free. Vantage score is used as a marketing tool to pre-qualify consumers for credit products. Vantage is used to sell you financial tools, financial products. So the way they get paid is through advertising from financial companies. Originally, the Vantage score range was 500 to 900, making it very hard to do a one-to-one comparison between a FICO credit score and a Vantage credit score. Recently, they have adjusted the credit score to be in the same range, but an important factor is that a 740 Vantage score is not equal to a 740 FICO score. Many consumers find that out when they go to apply for a loan, and they thought I was walking into the door with 740 and they walk out at 700 or even 680.